Are you or someone else that you know struggling to catch up on your rent or maybe even your mortgage because of the pandemic? Well, stay tuned because I'm getting ready to share with you some resources that could possibly benefit you. What's up, everyone? It's Terry on Demand. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, before we jump right in, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, pound that like button, and go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can get all of my upcoming content. And don't forget to share this with someone that you know could benefit from the information. Let's jump right in. Due to the pandemic and inflation, so many people have gotten behind on maybe their mortgage or their rent. Well, the government has some programs in place to help you get on track so that you can catch up your rent, so that you won't lose your apartment, or so that you can catch up your mortgage. And even if you have, let's say, used the program during the pandemic, you can typically sometimes reapply again so that you could catch up again, and you would just need to explain to them why you've fallen behind again. Now let's get into the part of the video that you've been waiting for. Now, what does it take to be eligible? So just taking a look here, I'm just going to go over some of the things that's needed. So once again, you want to make sure that you reach out to your local housing authority so that you can get the exact qualifications that's needed. Once again, there should still be enough time for you to go ahead and apply for any federal or maybe even state rental or mortgage assistance programs. Now, I know that some states had lifted the ban on eviction, so you definitely want to ask about that for your city or state. Now, the first thing that you want to be sure of is to make sure that you qualify. One of the qualifications is that at least one member of your household has to qualify for unemployment benefits, or at least attest in writing that they've lost some form of their income or a significant part of their income to the point where they can't pay their bills or afford their bills because of the COVID-19 pandemic. You'll also need to, of course, demonstrate that you're at risk for homelessness. You want to include anything that you can, of course, get from your mortgage lender or maybe even your landlord, stating that you are behind, so that you could have in writing how far behind you are. In some cases, they'll even pay your rent up to 18 months. So you definitely want to show how far behind you are so that you could take advantage of possibly applying for those funds that have been allocated towards rental assistance and mortgage assistance. So once again, you want to make sure that you reach out to your local housing authority so that they can give you the proper qualifications in your area. Once again, you can get up to 18 months, including a mix of payments for back payments or even future rents. If you've already been approved for rental funds, in some cases, even if you get behind again, you may even still qualify to apply again. Sometimes your landlord can also apply on your behalf. So once again, there's no sense in losing your home or losing your apartment, especially when there are government programs that can assist you with staying in your housing. So once again, you want to make sure that you qualify for the program. You want to make sure that at least one person in your household has been unemployed or underemployed. Typically, that will qualify you to receive those government benefits. You don't have to lose your home, especially when there's programs out there that will assist you. You just have to do a little bit of homework so that you can find out where those programs are. Most times you can go ahead and contact your local housing authority of your county. If you're not sure how to contact your local housing authority, you can just Google the county that you live in housing authority phone number, or maybe you can dial 311 or even 211 and ask the operator what services and programs are available in your area that you can apply to. Thank you so much for joining this episode of Terry on Demand. I hope you're enjoying the content that we've been working so hard to dish out to you. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, share this video with someone that you know would benefit from it, and go ahead and smash that like button and click that notification bell. Thank you for joining us.